The late Jurassic period witnessed a world dominated by colossal creatures. These were times when the Earth was teeming with life, and the skies, seas and lands were filled with extraordinary beings. Among them, the Diplodocus stands out as a true icon. This dinosaur, with its long neck and tail, was one of the most recognizable giants of its time. This majestic dinosaur roamed the Earth roughly 154 to 152 million years ago. During this period, the continents were arranged differently, and the climate was much warmer than it is today. Imagine a world where these gentle giants were a common sight. Herds of Diplodocus would have moved across vast plains, their long necks reaching high into the trees to feed on leaves. Diplodocus, meaning double-beamed lizard, was a herbivore of immense size and unique adaptations. Its long neck allowed it to reach vegetation that other herbivores couldn't, and its whip-like tail could have been used for defense. This dinosaur played a significant role in the Jurassic ecosystem. Its feeding habits would have influenced the types of plants that grew in its environment, and its sheer size would have deterred many predators. Their presence shaped the landscape and influenced the lives of other creatures that shared their world. Smaller dinosaurs and other animals would have had to navigate around these giants, and their movements would have created paths through the dense vegetation. The discovery of the Diplodocus marked a pivotal moment in paleontology. When its fossils were first unearthed, they provided a wealth of information about the size and structure of these incredible creatures. It expanded our understanding of dinosaur diversity. The Diplodocus was just one of many species that thrived during the Jurassic period, each with its own unique adaptations and characteristics. It continues to captivate our imaginations today. Museums around the world display Diplodocus skeletons, and these exhibits inspire awe and wonder in visitors of all ages, reminding us of a time when giants roamed the Earth. To understand the Diplodocus, we must first place it within the vast family tree of dinosaurs. Diplodocus belongs to the group called Sauropoda. These are known for their long necks, long tails, small heads, and 4 thick legs. Within the sauropods, Diplodocus is further classified under Diplodocidae. This family is characterized by their particularly elongated bodies and whip-like tails. Diplodocus shared this family with other notable giants like Apatosaurus and Barosaurus. The classification of Diplodocus helps us understand its evolutionary relationships. We learn about its closest relatives and how it fits into the broader picture of dinosaur evolution. Diplodocus was a true behemoth, one of the longest dinosaurs ever discovered. This colossal creature roamed the Earth during the late Jurassic period. Around 150 million years ago, it could reach lengths of up to 100 feet, making it one of the longest land animals to have ever existed. Imagine a creature stretching out to the length of a blue whale, but walking on land. To put that in perspective, that's longer than 3 school buses. This incredible length allowed Diplodocus to reach high into the trees to feed. Despite its enormous size, Diplodocus was relatively lightly built. Its bones were hollow, much like those of birds, which helped to reduce its overall weight. Its long neck and tail, supported by a complex system of bones and air sacs, gave it a distinctive appearance. The neck alone could be up to 20 feet long, allowing it to reach vegetation that other herbivores couldn't. Its skull was small compared to its body, housing a brain that was also quite small for an animal of its size. Diplodocus was a herbivore, and its small brain was sufficient for its needs. Its teeth were adapted for stripping leaves from branches. These peg-like teeth were perfect for raking leaves off plants, which it would then swallow whole. It likely fed on a diet of conifers, ferns, and other Jurassic flora. This diet provided the massive amounts of food needed to sustain such a large animal. The Diplodocus truly was a marvel of prehistoric life. The story of Diplodocus is as much about the people who discovered it as it is about the dinosaur itself. The first Diplodocus fossil was unearthed in 1877 by Benjamin Mudge and Samuel Wendell Williston in Colorado, USA. However, it was Othniel Charles Marsh who named it Diplodocus a year later. He recognized its unique double-beamed chevron bones located in the tail. One of the most famous Diplodocus skeletons, Dippy, was discovered in Wyoming in 1899. The discovery of Dippy marked a turning point in paleontology. It sparked public interest in dinosaurs and led to a surge in fossil hunting expeditions. Section 5. Anatomy and adaptations built for a different world. In this section, we delve into the fascinating anatomical features and evolutionary adaptations that made the Diplodocus a true marvel of its time. The anatomy of Diplodocus was uniquely adapted to its lifestyle and environment. Its skeletal structure reveals much about how it lived and thrived in the prehistoric world. Its long neck, for instance, was a marvel of engineering. This elongated neck allowed the Diplodocus to access food sources that were out of reach for many other herbivores. It allowed the Diplodocus to reach high into the trees to browse on leaves that were inaccessible to other dinosaurs. This ability to feed on high foliage gave it a significant advantage in its ecosystem. Its tail, equally impressive, was incredibly long and whip-like. This tail was not just for show. It had practical uses that were vital for the dinosaur's survival. Scientists believe it could have been used as a defensive weapon, capable of delivering powerful blows. This would have been crucial for deterring predators and protecting itself from threats. The tail also acted as a counterbalance for its long neck. This balance was essential for the Diplodocus to move efficiently and maintain stability while foraging. These adaptations, along with its size, made Diplodocus well suited for its environment. Its massive body and specialized features allowed it to thrive in the lush prehistoric landscapes of the Jurassic period. They provided it with a competitive edge in the struggle for survival. Living in herds, the Diplodocus could better protect itself and its young, ensuring the continuation of its species for millions of years. Section 6. Behavior and ecology, life in the Jurassic. Reconstructing the behavior of extinct animals is always challenging. However, by studying fossils and comparing them to modern animals, scientists can make educated guesses about how Diplodocus might have lived. Diplodocus is believed to have been a gregarious animal, traveling and foraging in herds. This social structure provided safety in numbers. Its large size alone would have deterred many predators. Diplodocus likely migrated across vast distances in search of food and water. They played a crucial role in their ecosystem, shaping the landscape with their feeding habits. Section 7. The mystery of extinction. Why did the giants fall? The reign of the giants, like the Diplodocus, eventually came to an end. The exact reasons for their extinction remain a topic of debate among scientists. Some theories point to catastrophic events like asteroid impacts or massive volcanic eruptions. Others suggest more gradual changes in climate or the spread of diseases. Whatever the cause, the extinction of Diplodocus reminds us of the ever-changing nature of life on Earth. It underscores the importance of understanding and protecting our planet's biodiversity. Section 8. Cultural impact, Diplodocus in the public imagination. Few dinosaurs have captured the public imagination quite like Diplodocus. Since its discovery, it has become a mainstay in museums around the world. Dippy, the famous Diplodocus Carnegie cast, has been a star attraction at London's Natural History Museum for over a century. Its imposing presence continues to inspire awe and wonder in visitors. Diplodocus has also made appearances in popular culture. It has featured in films, television shows, and books, further solidifying its place in our collective imagination. Section 9. Diplodocus. Today, continuing the legacy. The story of Diplodocus is far from over. New discoveries and research continue to refine our understanding of this remarkable creature. Paleontologists are using cutting-edge technology to study fossilized bones and footprints. These studies provide insights into the biomechanics, behavior, and ecology of Diplodocus. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the life and times of this Jurassic giant. It reminds us of the power of scientific inquiry and the importance of preserving our planet's fossil record. Section 10. Conclusion, a timeless icon. Diplodocus, the double-beamed lizard, remains a timeless icon of the dinosaur age. Its immense size, unique adaptations, and enduring legacy continue to fascinate and inspire us. As we continue to learn more about this fascinating creature, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and wonder of life on Earth, both past and present. Diplodocus serves as a powerful reminder of our planet's rich history and the importance of scientific exploration.